Hey everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a solution in Python using the idle IDE and how to navigate to that file on the command line and run your program. So we will start by opening the idle Python GUI. And your Python shell should open up. And by the way, this is for Python 2.7. There is another video for Python 3. So up here on the left, we will click on File and click New File. And another shell should open. And I am going to copy this solution from the programming competition rules that were sent to you. So now that we have our solution written, I am going to save this file, and in my documents folder under KU High School Design I created a folder called Python Workspace. So that's where I'm going to save my solution, and I'm going to call it problem1.py, which is the file extension for Python, and click Save. And in this case, and for the programming competition, we need to read from standard in. So in order to do that, we will need a file that we will essentially pass in as a parameter that the computer will know to read as standard in. So I am going to open Notepad and create a file that we will use as our input file. So the first line will contain an integer that indicates how many lines are supposed to follow. And in this case, I am going to type world, Alan, and Ada. And if you look back at the solution, our expected output will be hello world, hello Alan, hello Ada. I'm going to save this file in the same directory as my Python solution so that we don't have to do any tricky navigation in order to locate it. And I'm going to call it input.txt and click Save. So we have our solution ready, we have our input file ready. We can now go to the command line, type in CMD, click on command prompt, and I am currently in C users Wilson, so I need to navigate to the location of my solution. Yours will look a little bit different than this, but the techniques are the same. So you can see I'm now in the Python workspace directory that I created, and by typing dir and pressing enter, we can verify that our input.txt file and our problem1.py solution are ready to go. To run a Python program, you type Python space and the name of your Python file. And in this case, since we want to read from standard in, we need to pass in our input.txt file. And we do that by typing a less than sign and a space and the name of the file that we want to be read as standard in. And in this case, it's input.txt, and hit enter. And you can see over here on the left, we have our expected output. Hello world, hello Alan, hello Ada.